Hello and welcome to another episode of Practice Exercises. Today we explore simple sticking patterns that will help you play with more speed. Okay, so now it's important for me to mention that strokes is just you hitting the actual part of the drum or hitting the drum. That's a stroke. Okay, so single stroke, I hit the drum once, so I hit a part of the drum once. Double stroke, I hit it twice, and then paradiddle and all the different types, flams, drags, flammecues, and all the other fancy terms explain how many times you're basically hitting a part of the drum. Okay, so with the flam, and when you learn how to actually read music, it makes it a little bit easier. So everything, it makes it more translatable. So here, an example. If we take the grade 3 syllabus for Trinity drums. Okay, this is the main tool that I use because I just find that this works much better. I don't know if you can see that, but that is the first page. It starts with instructions and you actually learn drum notation key. Okay, then that's going to inform how you read going forward. I think I'll just put pictures up for now. And then already you've got rudiments, 5-stroke roll in grade 3. They expect you to know how to play the 5-stroke roll rudiment, 7-stroke roll, 9-stroke roll. Okay, and then you showed how you're supposed to play that using drum note theory. Okay, same thing happens in grade 4, same thing happens in grade 5, same thing happens at initial phase. Once you learn how to read music, it makes life a little bit easier and it makes things a little bit more translatable. So this is why I am offering drum lessons and music lessons as a service. Take it, use it. It's another language that we can begin to use to express ourselves differently. Simple starting single stroke roll. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Then we go to doubles. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Adding with a combination of the two, which is single, double, single, double. So right, 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 left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Paradiddle, paradiddle. Okay, then we would normally apply that around the whole kit. That's right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right. Doubles, doubles. Okay, paradiddle. Okay, and you can apply that paradiddle. Right, left, right, left. Doubles. Enjoy. Snare drum, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Doubles. Okay, paradiddle. Combination of both. Paradiddle, paradiddle, single, double, single, double. Round the kit, singles. Singles. Okay, that's singles play. Right, left, right, left. Doubles. Okay, that's how you would apply doubles. Paradiddle. Okay, that's paradiddles, that's single strokes and doubles.